Guys, let's talk about that perfect appetizer for you to take to that little get together. Today, my friends, is stuffed mushrooms. We're gonna start it on the Blackstone griddle. We're gonna finish it in the smoker. Hey, let's get started, y'all. That's some good groceries. All right, to get things started, we're gonna take about half a block of your favorite sausage, breakfast sausage. And we wanna get that onto the griddle. Let's smash it down a little bit. We wanna get this browned up. And we're gonna get it chopped up, okay? So stuffed mushrooms. So I have, these are just white, just button mushrooms. And all I do is just kind of take your fingers and just kind of wiggle the stem out, just like that. And I did that for all of these here. Oh, I got another one right here. Pull that out. Now, there you have it. I got all those button mushrooms, but I also have some of these stems as well. And we're going to use the stems. Also, want to make sure I saw the smoke going. Get your smoker going 350 degrees because we're going to use that here in a minute. And the stems, I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time trying to make it because it's kind of hard to chop these up. I just like to just rock my knife. Boy, that smells good. I love that. Love that smell. So I'm just going to chop those up just a little bit. Anything you see that's, might need a little bit of attention, go ahead and give it a little bit of attention. So we're going to save those to the side. Now, I had some green onions that needed to be used. And I would say either a half of onion, like a yellow onion or a white onion. But I had these green onions that I had to use, and I thought, man, I love a taste of a green onion, especially a nice sauteed green onion. Whoop. Get that bottom there. And so I'm using some green onions. Feel free to use a yellow onion, white onion, or a purple onion, Betty. Just gonna chop those up. Here we go. There we go. All right. Got a block of cream cheese that we're also going to put into a bowl. This is, we're gonna mix all of our mixture up. It's not wanting to come out very well. Want to be a little stingy. Just let that hang out there. It's fine. We're going to get our onions and our mushrooms down onto the griddle. Now, right now, I'm not going to add any salt or anything. I'm going to let the mushrooms really try to get a little bit of color before that. Put salt on mushrooms, typically the moisture just comes right out. Our sausage, I'm going to flip that over. I'm going to use my spatula and just break that up. We want it into nice small pieces. All right. So we got our sausage nice and chopped up, nice little small pieces, and it'll break up a little bit more as it cooks on, and then once we get it into our bowl. Check on our onions and our mushrooms. They're looking really good. Want to add just a little bit of oil to those. They're looking a little dry. And just going to add a little bit of, it's just bacon up. This is refined bacon grease. Ain't bad at all. We'll go ahead and season up our vegetables, just a little bit of Essentials Blend. I'm just going to mix these right into our sausage mixture. Kind of move that around. All right, now that our mixture has got nice and brown, we're going to add our garlic. You always want to add your garlic near the end because garlic will burn. Burnt garlic don't taste very good. So just add you a little bit of garlic. Move that around. All right, I think this is good. I want to put this over into our cream cheese. Now to that, we're going to add a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Let's mix this up just a little bit. Cream cheese, it's kind of a little chilly out here. It was softened, but standing out here a little bit, firm back up on me. That's all right, we'll work it in a little bit. That right there, perfect. That's exactly what we're looking for. All right, now we gotta do one more thing. Need an egg. Just egg yolk actually. So I'm just gonna come over here. That just helps bind everything together. Now, if you wanted to make this kind of hot, you know, a little bit of spice to it, now you can add the spice to it, or a lot of your breakfast sausages, you know, comes in a hot variety. You know, sky's the limit, you know, just kind of, you know, just use whatever you want. But I just like the old standard stuff personally. A cool little trick, especially when you're doing little small things, get you a sheet pan, line it with aluminum foil, and then get you, this is just like a cooling rack. And that sets just right down in there and allows you to have like these stuffed mushrooms. You just put those into the smoker just like that. Makes it easy to come on and off the smoker. Just a little tip from old Hussey, from me to you. Now we just fill our mushrooms. Just take your spoon and just kind of mound it in there like that. And you kind of want it, you know, you kind of want to mound it just like that. You don't want it to be kind of setting in, because it'll probably cook in a little bit. And the cool thing is, some of that moisture, it gets kind of drawn into that mushroom. That mushroom is like a sponge. We're gonna do the rest of these, and we're gonna get them onto the smoker. So while I'm doing this, I'm kind of wondering, you know, when you're going to that party, you got to take your appetizer dish, you know, what are you taking? I want to know down below. Let me know what your favorite take to a party, little appetizer, maybe a New Year's Eve party, you know, that kind of thing. Let me know. Because next thing you'll be wanting to do is taking these mushrooms. All right, got our last one here. Put that down onto our plate. You can put those right into the grill just like this, but another little something on top is needed, all right? And I'm gonna put just a little bit of a little panko parmesan, little crumble on top. And all I'm really doing here is melting some butter. This will help kind of cook the panko, will fry the panko actually. And I'm just gonna put that down right onto the griddle, just like that. You could very well just put the panko in here, put the melted butter in it, stir it up, but this right here is way more fun. And we're not looking to toast this, we're just looking to melt the butter into the panko. That's all. That's pretty much it. I mean, literally about, less than a minute. Nice little topping. And also to this, we're gonna add a little bit of Parmesan as well. A little bit of Parmesan. Like that. We'll mix this up really well. And now, we're just gonna come into each one of these. Just put this crumble right on top. And that's the good thing about having that aluminum foil under it. It catches the mess. Ooh, guys, just thought of something. I'll just take this and I'll do this. Look at that. Perfect. Huh. I'm so smart. See there, I ate my vegetables when I was a little guy. My mom said, eat all your vegetables, Matthew. You'd be real smart. All right, let's head over to the smoker. Get these in, 350 degrees. We're gonna let those go for about 30 minutes. And we're gonna check them, see about where they're at. It shouldn't take too long because sausage is already cooked. Be right back. All right, guys, hey, it's been about 35 minutes. Let's go check on our mushrooms, and oh boy. Yeah, man, look at that. Nice and crusty. Yes, yes, yes. Talk to me, baby. Woo. I might give one of these a try. I might give a small one a try. This one right here, it's got my name on it. It's got my name on it. Cheers, y'all. Mmm. Oh. Mmm. Mushroom still has a little bit of a, it don't fall apart. Still got a little bit of substance to it. Mmm. That cream cheese. Mmm. It's got a little bit of that white onion, or that green onion. The green onion whites. Mmm. Boy, this is good. Something's wrong with my nose. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Look at that. Still nice and creamy. Y'all, I guarantee you take these mushrooms to your next get-together, you're going to be the hit of the party. I guarantee it. Hey, head on over to the Blackstone Network where we see other awesome appetizers just like this. Hey, I'm Matt Hussey. That's some good groceries.